Rocket Money versus Mint. Which app saves you more on subscriptions? Well, when comparing Rocket Money and Mint for subscription management and savings, both apps offer distinct features tailored to different user needs. So here's a depth look at each of the application. So let's start with Rocket Money or former Truebill. When it comes to subscription management, Rocket Money excels in identifying and managing recurring subscriptions. Its algorithm scans your transactions to highlight active subscriptions, including those you might have forgotten. Premium users can utilize the subscription cancellation assistance, where Rocket Money will cancel unwanted subscriptions on your behalf. When it comes to bill negotiation, a standout feature of Rocket Money is its bill negotiation service. By submitting your bills, for example, your cable, internet, phone, Rocket Money's team attempts to negotiate lower rates. If successful, they charge a fee ranging from 30% to 60% of the first year's saving. Talking about pricing, for free plan, basic features like subscription, tracking, and budgeting tools, you can have access to that. For premium plan, it offers advanced features, including bill negotiation and subscription cancellation assistance. Users can choose their price between $6 to $12 per month. It also offers user feedback, so users appreciate Rocket Money's proactive approach to saving money. However, some have expressed concerns about the fees associated with bill negotiation services and effectiveness of subscription and cancellations. Now let's move on to Mint. So for subscription management, Mint offers tools to track recurring expenses, including subscriptions. While it identifies these charges, it doesn't provide a dedicated subscription cancellation services. So you have to take note of that. When it comes to bill tracking, Mint allows users to monitor bills and set up alerts for due dates, helping avoid late fees. However, it doesn't offer bill negotiation services. And when it comes to pricing, Mint is entirely free to use. It generates a revenue through affiliate partnership promoting financial products to users. And lastly, for user feedback, users value means comprehensiveness, budgeting tools, and investment tracking features. However, some have reported issues with account syncing and a lack of proactive money saving features. Now let's move on to key features. So as you can see here, Rocket Money versus Mint key differences. For feature, core focus. So the core focus of Rocket Money is more on budgeting plus subscription, management, and bill negotiation. While Mint, but used to be popular though it was shut down, it focuses on budgeting plus expense tracking and bill reminders. When it comes to subscription tracking, actively tracks and helps cancel unwanted subscriptions. But for Mint, it has no cancellation or negotiation features. For bill negotiation, it offers lower bills, but for Mint, it has no bill negotiation. For interface, clean, mobile first design. This one is more on data dense and web first design, which is, let's just say, more advanced. Offers credit score insights. This one included when Mint was active. Notifications, smart alerts for subscription bills and spending spikes. And this one alerts for overspending and bill reminders. Now let's move on to advantages. So for Rocket Money advantages, examples are subscription tracking automatically finds all recurring charges, cancel subscriptions for you. Premium users can request cancellation with one tap. Bill negotiation tries to lower your cable, phone, or internet bills. For alerts, notifies you of price increases, upcoming renewals, and late fees. And for saving potentials, users have saved hundreds annually, especially through cancellation and negotiation services. For Mint, okay, advantages great for budgeting, expense tracking, free to use, clean overview of financial health, through credit score and net worth spending trends. Though it was no longer available in 2025, as you can see, there is a difference between the Rocket Money and Mint. Now, for summary, Rocket Money is ideal for people who want subscription management, bill negotiation, and simple budgeting in one application, while Mint, while it existed, was better for in depth budgeting, goal setting, and expense categorization, but lacks smart automation tools. Since Mint was shut down in early 2024, Rocket Money and all alternatives like YNAB or Monarch Money are now among the top choices for personal finance application. So basically, that's it. And when it talks about which application saves you more on subscriptions, well, in short, or when it comes to summary feature, in short, for subscription tracking, Rocket Money, yes, yes. Auto cancellation for Rocket Money, yes. For premium, Mint, no. Bill negotiation, Rocket Money, yes. Mint, no. Stay available in 2025? Yes. Mint no. Best for saving money on subs? This one is winner because for Mint, it was discontinued. Or in summary of everything, Rocket Money is a clear winner if your goal is to actively reduce what you spend on subscriptions. It's not only detects but cancels subscriptions and negotiates bills. Though it has a monthly fee, the savings often outweigh the cost. For Mint, this was ideal for users who are financially proactive, want everything free, and don't mind doing the subscription management themselves. So it's up to you now which one you prefer. Or as final verdict, choose Rocket Money if you want automation, hands up subscription, cancellation, and proactive savings. Choose Mint if you want a free budgeting tool and are disciplined enough to act on your own insights. Lastly, here's a comparison table. So for feature, subscription detection, automatic cancellation, bill negotiation, alerts for subscription charges, user effort required, actual savings, pricing, user interface, ideal for, downsides, App Store rating. So as you can see, okay, so I hope it's clear that if you're looking for a modern budgeting tool that only tracks your spending but also helps you manage a subscription and negotiate bills, choose Rocket Money, or Rocket Money is a strong choice, especially now that Mint has shut down. While Mint was once the go-to for detailed budget tracking, Rocket Money steps in with smarter automation and features designed to help you save money effortlessly. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.